Back children, we are continuing the chapter reaching the age of adolescence, and we are continuing the exercise. There are two more very short answer questions of type 1, and this one I am explaining now. Why is looking after health important at adolescent age? We know a person when attain the adolescent age should take nutritious and balanced diet. This is because this balanced diet or proper nutritious food is important because this age, adolescent age, is important for the physical and mental growth. It is the age, adolescent age is the age of rapid physical and mental growth. Rapid physical and mental growth. Hence, the individual should take a balanced diet, proper diet. What is a balanced diet? A diet containing all the nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals in right proportions. A diet which contains all the nutrients in right proportion is called a balanced diet. An individual at adolescent age should take the proper diet because the adolescent age is the age of rapid physical and mental growth. Clear everybody? Clear. Now the second, that is 8th one, 7th or 8th one in the short answer question. What is the final height achieved by an organism or individual governed by? Of course we know the final height of an organism achieved or governed by the genes. Genes are factors that carry the information from parents to offspring. They are called hereditary factors because they carry the information from parents to offspring. What we get? We get only genes from our parents. What genes contain? Genes contain the various types of functions. Genes are the factors that carry the information from parents to offspring. And genes are the functional unit of DNA. We know that. Genes are the functional. Why genes are called the functional unit of DNA? Because the genes control the character in individual. Okay, all the characters in the body of organisms are controlled by, particularly height is controlled by genes. Then what is the role of hormones in this process? Yes, hormones control how the growth takes place. How should the growth happen? Okay, how should the growth happen? If the growth of hormones are less, the growth will be slower in the beginning. Then when the hormones are more, the growth will be faster later on. So hormone control how this growth should happen or should take place. You got this idea? Not only the hormone, nutrition is also important. That also, along with the hormone, nutrition is also playing an important role in controlling the growth of an individual. Both physical as well as mental. You got that idea? Yes. So second question is over. Now, we are coming to short answer question 2 types. List 2 hormones produced by pituitary gland and what is their function? We have already studied it. The pituitary gland produces many hormones. Of these 2 hormones, growth hormone, GH. Clear? Growth hormone controls the growth of an organism. How much we should grow physically as well as mentally. Okay? Average height of an Indian or a person is 6 feet. It can go up to 7 feet. That is too high. But when it goes down, it is too small, 2 feet or 3 feet. Everything depends upon what? The genes, hormones and nutrition that we take. Primarily genes. And hormones control how should we grow, how the growth should take place. You got this idea? Clear. Right. Now, last one, discuss the way the height in adolescent increases. Okay. Adolescent, the height increases in an unpredictable manner. In the beginning, the height will be more or irregular, maybe oversized due to the elongation of the bones in the hands and the legs. The hands and leg bones will elongate first. It will increase the height, okay, not in a proportion. But later on, the proportional growth we attain. Later on, the proportional growth we attain. In the beginning, due to the elongation of the bones of the hands and the leg, the body size will be overweight, irregular and non-proportional. But later on, this growth will be completed in proportion. You got this idea? Yes. These are the four important questions. Why is looking after health is important at adolescent age? You know that adolescent age there is rapid physical and mental growth. So we must take a nutritious food. Second, what is the final height of an individual achieved governed by genes? Then what is the role of hormone? The hormone control how the growth should take place. Okay? Right. Second, short answer questions 2. List 2 hormone produced by pituitary gland and what is their function. The pituitary gland produces 2 types of hormone, growth hormone and thyroxine stimulating hormone. The pituitary gland secretes 2 types of hormone, growth hormone and thyroxine stimulating hormone. Growth hormone controls the growth, how a person should grow. Thyroid stimulating hormone controls the function of the thyroid gland, how much thyroxine should it produce. That is the point. Okay, now fourth question. Discuss the way the height in adolescent increase. Yes, the height in adolescent increase due to the increase in the bones of the legs and the hands. In the beginning it is non-proportional and we develop overweight. But later on the increase of height will be proportional. Okay? Right. Thank you very much children. Thank you.